Hi, Rashid Kapadia here with an Eloquence tip on a Wednesday. Today I'll start a three-part series called Your Voice is an Instrument. Use it to energize yourself and empower your audiences. And being an engineer, technical background, I can't help thinking of breaking this instrument down into components. There would be the diaphragm, major components, the lungs, the vocal cords, and the articulators, to the tongue, the soft palate, the teeth, etc., the lips, etc. We can warm up each component of this, and today we'll do an exercise called Warm Up Your Articulators. I've taken this material and many exercises like this from an excellent book called The Pin Drop Principle. I highly recommend it to anyone who's fascinated by communication. I'm also going to put a list of 15 short sentences down. They're sort of like tongue twisters. And if you go through them systematically, saying them 3 to 5 times each within 1 to 2 minutes, you'll feel more energized and you'll feel you're presenting better. Let me give you an example. I'll just do 2 or 3 of them. 1. Mumsy made me mash my mutton. Mumsy made me mash my mutton. Mumsy made me mash my mutton. 20 tentacles tickling Ted. 20 tentacles tickling Ted. 20 tentacles tickling Ted. Charlie chooses chocolate shoes. Charlie chooses chocolate shoes. Charlie chooses chocolate shoes. She sells seashells on seashore. She sells seashells on seashore. She sells seashells on seashore. Doing this is just a warm-up exercise. Anyone can do it. It's worth it. You'll come across as more polished. You'll feel more comfortable and more in flow. I highly recommend it. In order to be eloquent, it is worthwhile to think of your voice as an instrument, and you can use it to energize yourself and empower your audiences. And we'd all love for you to do that. Good luck.